We got 2023 Mercedes EQB 250 all-electric vehicle, resetting the maintenance reminders. All right, go ahead and start this thing up once, twice, foot off the brake, and here's our message here: service B1 is due. We're gonna get rid of that by pressing this button here. First thing you want to do is we have to have this display on trip, okay, or miles. If yours is not on there, press the back button, go through here, select trip, and now we're on trip and miles. And now what we want to do is go ahead and turn the car off. Foot off the brake once, twice. Okay, we're getting the message again. Enter, get rid of that. Now the back button and the enter button, we're going to press and hold down. You'll notice that the red went away on the cluster here, okay? That means we can let go of these buttons, and we're going to hit back, and we're going to scroll over. Okay, go to the left. Now you'll have workshop. You didn't have workshop before, but now you're going to have it. Go into workshop, and then assist plus, enter, and then we're going to go full service, and then confirm service. Yes, and that's going to get rid of our service reminder. All right. Now we can go ahead and to verify, turn the car off and turn the car on, and there should be no more message. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me, leave me a comment if you could.